Good evening and good morning, baby shower host. This is Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to create a watermelon printable baby shower game completely for free without paying a dime. Okay, so first thing you want to do, oh by the way, if you don't want to go and create your own baby shower watermelon game, you can actually get yours right here at printmybabyshower.com. Just click the link below and you have access to watermelon baby shower printable games. Okay, and also you can use the code YouTube to save $1 off of any printable game set you find on printmybabyshower.com. Okay, onward with the tutorial. Okay, you're gonna need two free tools. The first free tool you're gonna need is Canva. This is Canva. What you'll be needing with Canva is free. And then there's Pixabay. Pixabay is a public domain image database where you can get a bunch of images in whatever type of topic or subject you're interested in. So in our example, we're going to put watermelon. And again, it's all public domain. You're free to use. You want to go to the top here, click images, and click vector images or illustrated images. I already chose this one, but you can choose whatever image you want. I'm gonna go up here and then you just click download. Again, 100% free. You click download and it's gonna get on your computer. After you get the images you want off of Pixabay, right? You're gonna wanna go to Canva, right? And you're gonna wanna select, so it says create design here. You wanna select, if you're living in the US, then you definitely wanna select US letter size. Okay? If you live in Europe, then you wanna use A4. Okay, A4 is the standard size. But since we're dealing with the US, we're gonna do US letter size. Okay. So once we are in the US letter size template here, we're gonna create our background. Okay. Now you want to keep it simple because you don't want to confuse your baby shower host, your baby shower guests. So the first color is a background. Well, let me delete that right now. The first color is a background. So you want to go to background right here. Click this right here. You're going to go to solid colors. And well, watermelons, red is a big component. So I'm putting in red. The next component, I'm going to put in this square here. Just type in square or box to get that same image. Okay. I'm going to click this and I'm going to again, increase its size so that it encompasses more of the actual game. Okay, now I'm going to color this green because, well, watermelons deal with the color green a lot. So you're going to click this little square up here, and I'm going to click this green here, but it's kind of light. I'm going to make that into a darker green. Like that. Perfect. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add another square. This is for the actual game. Okay. So now that I have my template, I want to add some watermelons in here because after all, this is a watermelon baby shower game set. I'm going to click uploads. I'm gonna click upload an image and I'm gonna look for that image with the watermelon. There you go, boom, boom. Upload that and I'm gonna add it right into my printable watermelon baby shower game. Now remember, if you don't wanna make your own printable baby shower watermelon game, you can always go click the link below and check out my pre-made games right here. You get 12 in a bunch and as you can see, they're well made. But if not, you can make your own right here. I'm gonna increase this just a little bit, like that, okay? Now, there's all kinds of games you can make for your baby shower. The more the merrier, that's what I always say. But let's say you wanna create a nice simple game. A good game you can create, oh by the way, you got your template now, so you can just click the copy button and create as many different templates as you want and put in as many games as you want. I'm gonna just create one for example's sake. So a nice little game you can create is called Who Knows Mommy Best. So you can click the text button here, add a headline button. You want to change the font because the default font is not attractive in my opinion. Wait a second, let's change the color to, first let's change the color to green, and let's keep it as green right now. Change the font to ABZ. That looks good. And let's write in Who Knows Mommy Best. Did I misspell mommy? I think I did. Okay, cool. So let's bring that to the top. Let's make that bold. Maybe I can make this bold. Let's try it again. Cool. Let's spread it out a little bit. Who knows mommy best? Very good. But you know, I want to change it up color-wise. So I'm going to make nose. I'm going to change that into red. I'm going to change best into red as well. Okay, let's click the color there. Boom. So we're not done. Of course, we have to create the actual game. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to change the fonts, the font type to something more easy going on the eyes. I'm going to click Advent Pro Light, and I'm going to start adding questions. So for example, how old is the mom to be? Maybe that's not the best question to ask, but you understand. You want to ask questions that the guests might, correctly answer. Next question. How did she meet the dad to be? For example, okay? And you continue. Let's change the color to red. Boom, just like that. And you continue, and you ask as many questions as you want, as many as you can fill on this template. You print it out, and of course you're gonna have a first, second, and third, depending on the size of your baby shower, right? I recommend you do have baby shower games for your guests, so that they feel like they accomplished something after they win the game. Okay, you definitely want to do that, and enjoy the process. Try to make some interesting questions. So who knows mommy best? How old is the mom to be? How did she meet the dad to be? What's her favorite? What's her favorite movie? Like that, and just continue on. Okay. Once you're done, you're gonna click Publish. You can click Download, and then once it's downloaded onto your PC or computer, you're gonna want to, of course, print it out. Okay, print out as many copies as you need for your guests, and it's that simple. Again, if you don't want to make your own, you can definitely check the link below and get these pre-made watermelon baby shower games. I have many interesting games here that are proven to entertain guests. I have, for example, baby shower word search, what's in your phone, nursery rhymes, baby bingo. I got word scramble, baby mad libs, baby candy match, ABC, Price is Right, crosswords, how long until. I've never is the best game in my opinion. But there you go. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Okay, take care, and don't forget you have the coupon code YouTube to save some money off of any printable game set you like within Print My Baby Shower. Okay, take care and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.